Doxy, and once again NIP with the man advantage here as LDLC try and push towards this A site. It's going to be Exist now holding towards Arch, just dancing on the edge, doesn't want to fully commit. Smith turns away to avoid the flash, but a great flash in. It's not good enough though. NBK, not blind, will take the kill.
Michaelele's position here though, Forrest down the pitch, gonna pick it up, Michaelele to follow. The bomb is dropped, he picks up the double kill, turns up.
The wrong angle right here, so he's gonna walk out and take the face off of Beast2Fly. So, yeah, I mean, actually what's interesting about the addition of Michaelele, without a doubt, Michaelele gets around the corner, Uzi goes down as well, and we're looking at a triple kill here from the newly minted NIP member, definitely doing a fine job. 9-1 is the score.
Still up Panze with Forrest already positioning himself for the retake here, just getting ready in case someone comes to CT spawn. That's going to be rough, but they're trying to retake from short and long. Pincer in, double shot from Michaelele. 2 for 1, it's a quad more than you normally have, so they're ready for a B push. Freiburg sees it coming, Grenade goes out, hasn't been Freiburg's game so far, but maybe the pistol round is going to be it. Michaelele gets the kill, Angel with 1, Michaelele, he's just tapping them away, it's a 4 kill!